I have San Marzano. Look how thick that is. Layer of sauce. Spread it out. Layer of chicken. A little more sauce. A layer of cheese. A layer of sauce. After the layer of chicken, more sauce. After the layer of cheese, a little more sauce. And now we're going to load up the top with the rest of the chicken. Load up the top with the rest of the sauce. And finish it up with the rest of the cheese. It's actually the first time I'm doing chicken parm in a pressure cooker. Probably going to be amazing. If you want to throw a little grated cheese on the top, feel free. Put the lid on, press a button, and dinner's ready.